Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel IT Lab Genius. In today's session, we are taking Excel Chapter 1 Simulation Exam. I will guide you through this exam step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Let's start our exam to solve it step by step. Question number 1, tab member tab in cell A4. Okay, click on cell A4 and tap member tab. Okay, select A1 and check spell. Okay, select A1 and go to spell and change all and spell check. It's complete. Okay, done. Then question number 2 is that enter 2024-001 and cell B6 and then press Ctrl plus enter. Click on cell B6 and enter this data and formula bar 2024-001 and then okay, it's done. Use the fill handle to copy the value. Okay, use fill handle. It's done. Okay, change the value to series. Okay, question number 2 is completed now. And next question is that enter the value 225 in cell C12 and then press enter. Okay, click on cell C12, enter this value in formula bar, then press enter. Okay, enter the data, enter the date 6/13 cell C2, click on cell C2 and enter this date in formula bar and then press enter. Okay, clear the formatting in cell C2, click on cell C2 and clear formatting. Go to the okay, it's done. Enter the date 6/30 to 2024 in cell C2 and then press Control press enter. Question is completed now. You can see here. And next question is that on the worksheet, make cell A1 to active cell and then similarly replace all occurrence. Okay, click on find and select find is that amount is find and then replace with price. Replace with price and then okay, fine, replace all, then press OK. This is done now. Close and open dialog box. Replace all. Okay, question is complete now. The next question is that use semi selection to enter the first early discount formula is equal to cell E6. Click on cell E6 and formula is equal to D6. Subtract from C6. Okay, it's done now. Then double click for fill handle. Question is complete now. Next question is that enter the first percent of regular formula is equal to 1 minus C6 over D6. Okay, F6 is equal to 1 C6 over D6 and then press enter. Okay, it will be show. Use fill handle for to F12. Okay, question is completely now. Next question is that display cell formula. Go to the formula and show formula. Okay, hide cell formula, click on show formula and it will be here. Tab 435 and cell C6, click on cell C6 and tab 435 in formula bar and it will be done. Tab 400 C9, click on cell C9 and tab 400. Okay, it's done now. Click cell E1 and insert a column to the right of column D. Click on column D and click column E and insert a column. Okay, tap on site price in cell E4. Click on cell E4 and tap this on site price. On site price. Okay, in cell E6, create a formula to add the value from F6 to D6. Click on cell E6 is equal to F6. Okay, plus D6, press enter, it will be show value. Copy the formula to 6 to 8, 7, 8, 12. Okay, copy this formula. Question is complete now. Next question is that click cell A9 and delete the row. Click on cell A9 and delete the row. Click cell A9 and right click on this and delete this row. Okay, insert a new row as row 1. Click on cell 9 and right click on this and insert a row. Okay, row will be inserted. Tap professional in cell A9. Click on cell A9 and tap professional in cell A9. Professional. Tap professional in cell A9. Okay, select A9 and then apply bold. Okay, it's done now. Question is completely now. Adjust the width of column A to 25.00. Right click on column A and click on column width and change this data to 25.00. Okay, adjust the height of row 1 to 30. Click on row 1 and right click on this and change this data 30. Okay, select the height column B. Right click on this column B and hide this column. Select and on hide column F. Right click on this and hide this column F. Okay, on head column F, right click on this, select this two column and hide, and column will be show here. Question is completely now. E and G select and then on hide, right click on this and hide this. Insert a new row above, insert a new row 5, click on row 5 and right click on this, select row 5 and right click on this, insert and click on insert, select the card range A13 to G13, paste the range, select starting in the cell A5. First we select this range and cut and paste in cell A5. Cut and click on cell A5 and paste here. Okay. And paste here. Select and cut range E12 to G12. Cut this and insert cut cell in A5 and okay. Right click on this, insert cut cell A5. Okay, it's done now. Question is completed now. You can see here select and copy the range A9 to G9, paste the range starting cell A13. Okay, first we select this range A9 to G9. You can select this range and cut this, right click on this and cut this, paste the range starting in cell A13. Click on cell A13 and paste here and then press escape. Paste here and press okay, tap 425 in cell C13. Click on cell C13 and tap 435. Tap 425 in cell D13. Okay, in cell D13 425. Okay, question is completed now. You can see here I have done 12 question. Now 13 question. Select and copy the range A1 to G13. Use paste option to okay, formatting cell A16. First we select this range A1 to G13. You can copy this copy and cut this range. Okay, select and copy this range. You can copy easily this range and okay, right click on this and copy this and paste in cell A16. Okay, and then press escape. Okay, use formula bar to compare the content of cell G5 and G20. Play bold and cell the content value instead of formula. Okay, we will create a formula here. Okay, click on this and bold this. Okay, you can this question is completed now. Now next question is that select the range A1 to G1 and apply the ascent one cell style. First we select this range and then go to home tab and then go to cell style. Okay, click on cell style, then okay, you can go to cell style easily. Select and apply S1 cell style. You can select this now. Okay, S1 cell style is here now. Okay, it will be applied with the range A1 to G1 selected simultaneously margin center. You can margin center this range with the range A1 to G1 selected, apply bold. First we select this range and then apply bold. Okay, click on bold, go to the home tab and click on bold is here. You can select this. Okay, question is done now. Okay, next question is that apply middle align to the title in cell A1. Apply middle align to the title in cell A1. Okay, apply center horizontally alignment. Select this range and then center horizontally. Okay, apply center horizontally. So first we select this range and apply center horizontally. Okay, select this range and then apply bold. Go to home tab and click on bold. Go to home tab and click on bold. Okay, click on bold. Apply wrap text to the range D4 to G4. Select this range and go to home tab and then wrap text. Click on wrap text. Okay. Okay, I have done 90% of this exam. For remaining question or you want to deal for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all courses, accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SAS and many more courses. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and best of luck. Thank you so much.